This farm is located just out of Monroe, Washington, and it's a yearly event. Very low key, nothing pretentious at all, just a lot of good fun, and meet a lot of fine people, very relaxed people. This is part of the tractor parade.
Okay, take your shoes off. All right, put them right there. Okay, bigger kids, come on. All the bigger kids, there we go. Okay, so you're a real mom?
I am a real mom.
Now, let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen shoes so nicely stacked as this?
I have.
Never, right? No, because sometimes there's a shoe over there and a shoe over there. So help me spread these shoes around like they would be normally, okay? There we go. Getting those shoes. All right, now, let's see who the first one is. Back to the bill. So, Mom, give the instructions.
Oh my gosh, you guys, the school bus is here. Quick, quick, get your shoes, hurry.
All right, find your shoes, and get back and see who's the fastest one. Okay, who are you? Come here, over here. Come here, what's your name? Will, did you learn how to find your shoes by experience? So you must be used to finding your shoes. They're always apart. Okay. So Will, why don't you sit down here? Okay. Now, what's our problem here? What? She's missing a shoe. Okay. What's your name, sweetie?
Jade.
Jade? You're missing. Have you checked over there? Have you checked over there? Have you checked over here? Have you checked over here? You know where they are? What would happen if you missed the bus? Would the principal be upset because you're late to school? You wouldn't, huh? Would Mom be upset because she had to drive you to school? And is it over here? Is it over here? Where is it? Is it over here? Where is it? How did that get there? Okay, come on. You're a good sport. So what we're going to do, we're going to let you and Will. Where's Will? Come on, Will. You were fastest, and we got a good sport here. So you get over there to Bill and get your ice cream and line up right behind him and go get your ice cream. Very good. All right, contestants, on your mark. Everybody in here, get set, go. All right, let's see who is the slowest. Oh, Jim's got a really slow tractor there. Lene is going slow. Michaela, you gotta go slow. Slow it down, Bill. As slow as it'll go. Okay.
Slow down.
help us out here. Bob, can you make sure we get first place here? It's between this blue barrel and the gray barrel. Okay, Cole's in third place. No, if you stop, you're disqualified. All right. Jim is in second place. And Lene. All right, Lene, you can stop. Who's down on the plate? Okay, Lene, what was your secret in driving so slow? You don't know, just driving slow. Well, you were the winner of the slow race. Congratulations.
The announcer came over and he talked to Bob Hoffman and I, and I said that Bob was raised on a farm and he knew how to drive a tractor, so the announcer's going to put Bob on the tractor and have Bob compete in the barrel race.
Bob said he is an expert in this and he knows how it's done, so he's going to show everybody how to roll the barrel with a tractor. Getting this on film, Don?
You bet!
All right, very good. Okay, Bob, start turning that barrel around the blue barrel there. Go all the way out to that black band. There you go. Now just follow that barrel around. Oh, good job. He is an expert at this. Don't lose the barrel now. Doing fine. Hey, look at that concentration. All right, straighten that barrel out. Looky there. He knows what's happening. There's a lever there underneath the steering wheel. You pull that down toward your right knee and you'll go a little bit faster. Oh, okay, he likes slow. All right. Well, Bob, very good. 1 minute, 9 seconds. You got the fastest time today. All right.
Bob Hoffman's going to hook that hay trailer up for the guy. They're about to start giving free hay rides to kids and people. That's the second free hay ride wagon.
There it goes. Okay, can you turn right? Oh, Henry! Oh, Henry! What we're going to have to do, Henry, is move this trailer.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll solve the problem. Watch out. Can you go straight? We've got a loose wire. I've been accused of that a lot too, Arnie. Okay, now what we have here is a friendly family competition, okay? We have that. And the loser has to wash dishes. Kevin Bean here. Kevin Bean's lining up that tractor. Okay, just a minute, Kevin. Gotta get Henry Ford out of the way here. Just like always, you gotta pick the Model T up and just a minute, Kevin. Let's get Henry out of the way. Now, once we get up there and beat to that barrel, I have you move this wheel on around that black band. All right, here we go. Stay in the middle of the barrel, Kevin. Very good. Be patient. Okay, now move that wheel right out there to that black band. See how it turns around? Very good. Follow it around. Don't lose the barrel. Stay with the barrel. Stay with the barrel. There we go. Come on, let's hear it for Dad! All right, good, good.
Now, she's never run a tractor before, Bob, and she does this perfectly. You are going to be in a bad light.
I don't know if I want to watch it.
You want to watch it.
This is Lisa. And she just told me that anything Kevin can do, she can do better. All right. Okay, Lisa, come right on around here. She's going for a weather check. How's the bumpy rides going? You ready to go again? All right, kids. Come on, kids, go over to the bumpy rides. We got a driver ready to go. Okay, Lisa, that's the way. Keep on going this way. There you go. Okay, now start turning back the other way. On this wheel. Turn left, turn right, turn right, turn right. Keep going. Keep going. All right, Lisa is concentrating. Very good. Stay in the middle of the barrel. Stay in the middle of the barrel. Okay, now go out to the black band there. That away. Now follow it around. That away. Follow it around. Keep going. It's going to turn with you. Have patience. That away. Good job. Okay. In the middle of the barrel. In the middle. All right. Now pull that lever down a little bit. Hey, there we go. All right. Way to go, Lisa. Okay, you can stop. 44 seconds. Kevin by 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
Another one of the kids' rides.
All right, there we go. Run a little bit better now. Okay, line this left wheel right up in the middle. Keep on going. Keep on going. There you go. Here we go. Okay, the clock has started. Move a little bit out to the right. There you go. There you go. A little bit more right now. That's good. That's good. Just follow that barrel around. Got to go around the blue barrel. Hey, you got the idea. Good job. You've done this before. Looky there. Hey, good job, Kirsten.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, get that barrel lined up first. Get it lined up. Okay, pull that lever down a little bit. All right, gotta hit the blue barrel. Oh! Okay, stop. Kirsten, you gotta go through the barrels. It was a good time, 45 seconds if you'd have made it. Okay, come on, get off. I'll get it going for you. All right, there you go. You stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. Move over in the middle. There you go. There you go. That's good. That's the way. You go in the middle now. So go straight. There. Oh, nice tight turn. Very nice. All right. Cut in the corner, good. Don't worry about it, it's gonna come. Follow the barrel. Follow the barrel. Follow the barrel. Okay, move out to the right a little bit. Gotta line it up with those two white barrels. Okay. Watch out, Tim. Here we go. Go. Do it, Alyssa. All right, she's going for the win. Ah, good enough. Okay, stop. 50.44. Very good.
Here we are at the Baylor. going back to the 20s, 30s, and 40s before the mechanical baler. Last week in Linden, we've seen a similar machine. Now there's a fellow on each side that will put wires through to bundle the bale. He's getting the wire out now. These are really some of the nicest bales I've seen. They're beautiful bales. Picked up many a bale behind a automatic baler, but nothing like this one. Stationary, you have to bring the material to it or move it around.
Watch that fork handle.
Nice shot of the crowd. Not a big crowd, but it's a hot day. Sitting on the bales that were just baled. They make good seats at farm events. You can see he just pulled the wire through. Twisting it. Second wire. This is all done mechanically twice, 3 times as fast with one person driving the tractor today. That board is slipped in between each bale also in the hopper. You have to be careful, the board can be put in at the wrong angle and it'll crush. This is the power plant, of course, for this baler. It's a John Deere tractor, power takeoff. You can see there's a large eccentric. Makes this thing operate like a duck bobbing for apples.
Let's try it with the blade.
I just noticed that this is an Oliver Red River. It's a Red River that I thrashed oats for an old timer there in Marysville when I was in high school. Both sides of this Red River thrashing machine for the mechanical part of it. With today's OSHA rules, I'm afraid the American breadbasket would go hungry if we had to rely on this type of equipment in the field on a mass production basis. grain wagon, and this spout is what the grain comes down, fills the wagon. It's a weighted measure up above, up in this mechanism here. So it's not a constant flow of grain. It's weighted and then released.
Model B Ford. And how long have you had this tractor?
1954.
Is that right? Is that when you got it? Do you know when this was built? In 1932? All right. Well, it started on first crank, I think. Second crank. Okay, but you put it in road gear and really won down the strip. Okay, Lloyd, tomorrow at 11 o'clock you got to defend your championship. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we're going to be doing next is the parade at 12 o'clock. Harold is our blacksmith over there, so after the break, come on over there and see you doing the blacksmith. Okay. Have some quiet. And back to game Way to go! Here we go! Let's hear it for the ride! He's finishing! Way to fly! Isaacson with his 1932 Worthington. He must have been in high gear. All right.
I mean that one.
A lot of these kids never touched a tractor, let alone ride it.